Welcome, and thank yourself for taking this time for you. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting up straight with your feet flat on the floor, or lying down in a way that feels supported and relaxed. Let your hands rest softly in your lap or by your sides. Now gently close your eyes and begin to bring attention inward. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be. This moment is just for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply and let go of any tension as you breathe out. Now just allow your breath to settle into its own natural rhythm. No need to change it, force it. Just gently let it flow. As thoughts begin to come in, and they will, that's perfectly okay. Instead of trying to stop them, simply notice them. And imagine those thoughts drifting past you like clouds in the sky. Acknowledge them and let them go. Say quietly in your mind, I see you, I release you, I return to my breath. And every time your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the feeling of your breath, to the rise and fall of your chest, to the stillness that is always waiting beneath the noise. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice the parts of you that are touching the chair or the ground beneath you. Feel that support. You are grounded. You are safe. You are here. If you notice any tension in your body, breathe into that space, and with each out-breath, allow it to soften and melt away. You're not trying to get anywhere. You're not trying to achieve anything. You are simply being. In this stillness, in this quiet, you are reconnecting with yourself, with your calm, with your center. Let yourself rest here for a moment longer, in stillness, in peace, just breathing, just being. And when you're ready, begin to gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself returning to the here and now. And whenever it feels right, open